Let's see how to draw on iPad without Apple Pencil. In the first step, tap on Settings, later go to Accessibility. After that, pick Touch. In the next step, tap on Assistive Touch, later switch it on. Next, press Create New Gesture. In the next step, sketch your desired line. After that, tap on Save. Next, give the gesture a name. In the next step, launch Notes or any sketching app. Next, press Assistive Touch menu. Later, choose Custom Gesture. In the next step, move one or more fingers to sketch. Next, modify stroke pace for accuracy. Now try different gestures. You are good to go.